Hello there people, welcome to part 6 of the Matrix build. So I ended up getting this cheap Amazon exhaust. Hopefully it fits. We're gonna try it out. It is J2 engineering, and I also got these wheels and tires. Just finished mounting them. How it's gonna look. Little sneak peek. Not too bad. Just finished installing all 4 wheels, but before I drop it, I'm gonna go ahead and install the exhaust. It just came with these 2 pieces. The bend is gonna go towards the front of the car. Came with the 2 gaskets and 4 nuts and bolts. So it looks like to remove the old one, you just gotta remove it from right here, these 2 bolts, and then the whole thing will come out. I'm gonna hit it with some WD-40 on the bolts and also on the hangers right here, so hopefully they slide out nice and easy. All right, just took off the muffler. I noticed with the new exhaust it is flat, and this one had a this little cone gasket. It didn't really fit too well like this, so I took it off. I took this off and it kind of fits in there a little bit better, but I don't know. It definitely doesn't touch the sides to where it would seal with this gasket. It doesn't even touch the sides, so I might just run it like that. I don't know. See how it goes. It goes inside a little bit. Might be okay, but I guess we'll find out. I think that's my only option. Alright, just finished installing the exhaust. Hung up. Bolts are good and tight. These fit perfectly. But these, the holes did not line up. The gasket, I didn't even use it. Didn't even think it would work, since they're not even meeting each other. But hopefully it doesn't sound too terrible. Let's find out. Okay, there we go. Sounds pretty good. I don't hear any crazy exhaust leak coming from that or this. It sounds pretty normal while it's idling, but I'll do a before and after of the exhaust. Alright, there you go. It does sound a little bit different, but while I'm driving I can't really tell too much. It does look nicer though. Pops out a little bit more. I don't know, you tell me, is it worth the $250, $300? I don't know about that. These wheels are 18 by 8.5, 235, 40, 18. Stick out a little bit more. Looks a little nicer on the front. Might just need to lower it and see how it looks after that. But for now, that's good. Thanks for watching. Hope you subscribe.